watch daily videos, and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. I hope you are revving up your preparation for GRE and watching all the videos and are very serious about the preparation, people who actually want to go abroad. Okay, so this video is specially only for the students who are very serious about GRE preparation and who want to actually achieve a very high score of 320 plus, and at the same time who have already decided that they have to go to US, Canada, or whichever country you have decided, whichever universities you have decided, and you are very sure and serious about the preparation. Okay, so if you are very serious about the preparation, then only watch this video for the next 7 to 8 minutes. It's a very important video for all the serious aspirants. Okay, so first thing, before I move ahead, I want to just tell you all that I am in Boston right now pursuing my MBA from US. So I will be able to help you out better, and I'll be able to sort you up if you have any queries or doubt that how would you apply and how do you go about it, what's the preparation strategy, how much amount of time you need to study and everything. So if you have any queries or doubts, and if you need a mentorship session, what you can do is you can send an email on grekingforstudents@gmail.com. The email ID is given in the description below, and I'll be able to help you up with a 30-minute Zoom session, okay, in which I can help you and I can sort you up. Okay, so that is something which I can do. Okay, and I know that there is going to be a time difference, IST and EST, but if you can drop me an email, so I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, second most important thing is about this video. So a lot of students have been sending me emails and pinging me that the lectures have been really good, and they are actually getting a lot of help from all of these videos. So we have started, we are planning to launch a course, a special GRE batch, okay, for students who are very serious about this preparation. So for serious aspirants only. And what are we going to do in this course? So I'm launching this course which will happen on every Monday and Friday. So every Monday you are going to have live lectures with GRE toppers for quants, and every Friday you're going to have live lectures with GRE toppers for verbal ability. Okay, so these are going to be online virtual sessions with GRE toppers every Monday and Friday. And along with that, you'll also get access to Verbal Wednesdays, which are director special verbal ability lectures. Okay, another important thing is people randomly take up any test and start doing. There are no proper analysis. So what you're going to get is you're going to get 8 full length mocks, okay, which are very real to the actual GRE mocks that you appear. So that is also prepared by all GRE toppers, and along with that you're also going to get a mock analysis dashboard. Okay, so you can actually review what you did wrong, what you did right, and you can analyze the dashboard. And in fact, in these live sessions, what we are going to do is we are actually going to help you out to analyze a mock, just to show you that what is the approach of analyzing a mock. Okay, along with this, we'll be giving you 20 hours of recorded video lectures to clear your foundations. People who are serious aspirants, it is very important that you build upon your foundations, because GRE is an exam wherein you have to be very crisp and clear with your foundations. So before attending a live lecture, we'll also give you some of the pre-work to be done, and that pre-work is going to be just going through all of those lectures and brushing up your concepts. So that is going to be really important. Now, along with the mock test, there will be a lot of sectional tests. So once you are done with watching the foundation videos, what you have to do is you have to go to the sectional test for quants as well as verbal, and you have to time yourself and solve a verbal sectional test and a quant sectional test. So all of these things are going to be there in the course that is there. Okay, there is a link given below. Okay, you can use the coupon code GREKing50 and avail some discount for 20 students only. As I already mentioned that it's a 20 student batch that we are going to launch. And still, if you have any queries or doubts, or if you're not clear with the preparation, you can drop in comments below. I'll be able to help you out. And people who want a one-on-one mentorship session and know more about the course, you can drop in an email on grekingforstudents@gmail.com. But just ensure that you are dropping an email only if you are a serious GRE aspirant, and I actually want to help you out and plan your preparation up, and make sure that you go to your dream college. Okay, so if you have any queries or doubts, do drop in a comment, and I'll be able to help you out. This was all from my side. I hope you guys are watching all the videos. I've divided it into 3 parts. One is a playlist, as you can see, GRE most repeated words, and the second playlist is the test section, wherein you actually the videos are timed for 1 minute per question and you can solve them. And third are the GRE preparation videos. Okay, so I hope to see you in the live lectures, and I hope to see you in Zoom meeting sessions. I've already, a lot of students have come on those sessions, so drop in an email and I'll be able to see you online. Okay, so this was Aishwarya, and this is done for like today's video, and I'll see you in the next videos. And if you like the video, do hit the bell icon. You will get notifications every time I release a new video. So this is all. Goodbye, and all the best for your preparation. Bye bye.